whole life I've been dreaming of this. I just came from the grocery store. And look at this. Hey. Hey, baby. I don't know who he is. He just came up to me. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do. Is he somebody's cat? He's rubbing on my tire. Baby, I have to like do things and I don't know what to do. It's like I want to carry you. Can I carry you? He's a man. He's a man. Hi. Hi, my little boy. Hey. Oh my goodness. Are you let me carry you? Oh my goodness. You are, kind of. I don't know. Hey, baby. I want to grab him, but I also don't know if he's like a street cat. You know what I'm saying? He has a little family and stuff. You see? Boom. I don't know. If I come back out and he's still like out here and stuff, then I might grab him. But right now he looked like he's chilling. I failed to record, but I was able to grab him and put him in my room. And he chilling in my room. And so I'm buying his stuff. Look, babe. Look. Got your little color. So I have a cat now. And he also didn't like his collar, which is honestly very typical because my pets did have collars, but I would always take them off. So yeah, he chilling.